Hi, this is John with WTI. And of course, you got to keep your hygiene as clean as possible in your bathroom, like right now it is. But adding this little touch of these Febreze Air Freshener, this linen scent, it's just so fresh. Like every time you get into here and you rush this, or you already had this, or any of the spaces of the house, it just feels so calming. It feels nice. It smells nice, clean, and fresh. It's not too overpowering, like, or you're feeling it so much, or it's too heavy that you may have a headache. It's just so easy to like. It's such a compliment getter. Like every time you get in the house, you spray this into different areas of the house, and people are just gonna be like, it smells awesome. It's so convenient that you can pretty much take this anywhere. It's good, works nice. It smells great. Doesn't give me a headache. Sometimes that happens. Maybe the scent is too far or too strong. This one, mild, right in where it should go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.